Andy, you're better than your past, and she winked at me and drained her glass. Cross-legged on a Boston like nobody sits anymore. She said, Andy, you're taking me home, but I knew she planned to sleep alone. I carry her to bed and sweep up the hair off the floor. If I fucked her before she got sick, I'd never hear the end of it. She don't have the spirit for that now. We just drink our drinks and we laugh out loud, and when we bitch about the weekend crowd, we try to ignore the elephant somehow. She said, Andy, you crack me up with the secrets in the coffee cup. Sharecropper eyes and her hair all almost gone. When she was drunk, she made cancer jokes. She made up her own doctor's notes. Surrounded by family, I saw that she was dying alone. So I'd sing her classic country songs and she'd get high to sing along. She don't have the voice to sing with now. We just burn these joints in effigy, and we cry about what we used to be, and we try to ignore the elephant sometimes. Well, I buried her 1,000 times, giving her my place in line, but I don't give a damn about that now. 'Cause there's one thing that's real clear to me, and it's no one dies with dignity. We just try to ignore the elephant somehow. We just try to ignore the elephant somehow. We just try to ignore